Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Full Deck Challenge 3 hosted by Shana of Shinoki Art. And our prompts today is dark blue and freer. And that's, last week was light blue and freer. Or my kitty cat's talking. Anyway, the only rules we have in this is we show the number and we have one item that we use in all of the cards, which mine is stickers. Shauna's is stamps. So it's just one item that you use throughout, and I've used a sticker on every one of the cards. And the other one is something that you did on the last card, which is last week's card, you bring over to this week's card. And I have got these little gems that I'm going to bring over. And also, this is a sticker I just cut out around it so it would be more opaque. And so I'm bringing the lady over to this card. So I have got all my cards, and this is number 7. So without further ado, let's get started. I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing good. Now I'm just going to scruff up my card just so that it'll have tooth to hold the glue and hold when I glue on it, because it's got that little film on it. Okay. And the freer is just to lay down stuff without much thought. Okay, now I'm gonna use some of this dark blue paper. I've already got one already there. So I think I'm just gonna use that corner and just tear that off. And we'll get going. I'm going to try using art glitter glue today. I usually use my matte medium, and I may have to go back to it. But I'm going to see how well this goes, if I can get it started. I don't know, we are having a little bit of cool weather. We had last Saturday night, they were predicting tornadoes and things. And we thankfully didn't have too much trouble. Had a lot of wind, but nothing major. But I think it did hit in like Florence, Mississippi. Okay, I'm gonna get that down. And I have got some jelly prints. So I think I'm gonna use some of that. Got a little bit of a metallic sheen. Can add that. I'm not even gonna think of, like I said, I'm not even thinking about it. Go ahead and there we go. Go ahead and add that done. I just took the tip off. It's gotten where I can't. The tip just doesn't do very well for me. Push that down. And I've got a little bit of this paper. It's this one's deli. I don't know if this one's not deli. I don't know if I said it was or not. And I think I'm just gonna put that down just to break it up a little bit. Give it a little interest. All right, we got that. And now I've got this I thought was cool. It's a packaging. So I'm gonna trim that off. Trim the white part off. I like the way that looks. Find my stapler. And I've got pink staples in here, but I think that'll be all right. Now that looks good. Like a little tab. And let me find my lady. Here she is. I already inked around her. And I think I want to add just a little bit of white to the background. Yeah, I like that. I've enjoyed this challenge. I recommend you check out Shana Art and check out the hashtag Full Deck Challenge 3. And she has 1 and 2 also. This has been a lot of fun. I just find sometimes with your darker colors, it's nice to have a little bit of pop of white. And then we can add her there. Pretty. I am just gonna get that corner. Can't tell that one, so we are good. And I want to find my Stabilo oil. Or maybe I can use this. I just want to outline her a bit so that she'll pop from the background. Just a little. There we go. Now I want to add a little bit of bling. It's not dark, but that's okay. Just a little. And I'm going to add gold splatters. I'm just going to cover her up just a little. Oops. All right. And I will say that's finished. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. Be sure and check out Shana's channel at Shana Art. And be sure and check out the hashtag Full Deck Challenge 3 to see what everyone else has made. So until next time, bye y'all.